Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make mandi rice. Now I'm gonna tell you about the ingredients. I have cut 1 onion into slices, 1 lemon, 2 chicken cubes, few cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of chicken tikka masala, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 cup of cooking oil, 1 coal, 1 kg chicken, wash 3 heads of full garlic. We have to add it without peeling. 1 tablespoon of kevra water. I'm gonna add these 3 ingredients into the boiling water. Salt, chicken cubes, the water is boiling. Add chicken. Boil it for 20 minutes. After adding the chicken, we have to add the garlic. I have added cooking oil into the pan. Now I will add onion into the cooking oil. We should lightly fry the onion. And here our chicken is boiling. Our chicken is done, so we have to take it out. Now our chicken is done, so I'm gonna take it out. I'm also gonna take out the garlic. Now I'm gonna add the rice into the boiling water. Now we have added the fried onion and the oil. I have added some lemon juice in the chicken, and now I'm gonna add some of the lemon juice into the rice. I have covered the lid with cloth. Keep it for 15 minutes at lower flames. Our rice is done. So I'm going to open the lid. Our chicken is perfectly done. So we are going to marinate it. Marinate the chicken. with oil and chicken tikka masala. Now I have to drizzle a little bit of oil. Now I have to add lemon juice on the marinated chicken. Now I am gonna cover the chicken with foil. I have covered the chicken with foil. Now I am gonna put it in the oven. The temperature should be on 190 centigrade. I have to bake the chicken for 20 minutes. Our rice is perfectly cooked. Now I lighted up the coal. I am going to give a smoky taste to the rice. So I will drizzle a little bit oil on it. Now I am going to dish out my rice. My yummy chicken mandi is done. I am going to serve it with tomato salsa. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.